Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Musansar Hussain and you're watching my channel HA Tech. So friends, today in this video I will tell you who children can be saved for downloading such application from the Play Store which is not good for them. And nowadays, our children are very clever. They have often take your mobile and go to the Play Store and downloading such a bad applications. To nowadays, in the Play Store, many bad applications like TikTok, PUBG, and many of those who destroy our child. So today in this video I will tell who to manage your Play Store safe for your children for for your children. So please watch my video till the end, and if you like my video, then give me a feedback through like, comments, and also subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So friends, start the video. Go to the mobile screen. Here we are on mobile screen. First of all, you go to the Play Store, and then it has to click on these above three dots. After clicking on it, you go down, and here you see the settings option. You go to the settings option. Now you have to go down, and below you will see the parental control. My parental control is also open on it. First of all, I off the parental control, and it asked me about password. I enter my password. First of all, I off this parental control. Now I again go to the parental control, get on. First of all, when you open it, he asks you to create a password. You have to make your password of your choice. Then confirm your password again. Now see, your parental control is on. See this below, you can see here application and games. You click here. Here you see the 5 different options. That means in the bottom here you see it's allow all including unrated. It's mean that all kind of application will open in your Play Store, which is also not good for your children. So what you have to do is bring the option you see in the top, rated for 3 plus. It's mean if your children is 3 years or 6 and 3 and 6 between, then you go to this option. I also go to this option. I select this option. Here you see, and save it. Now go to the Play Store again and see who it work or not. Again you search. Here I search the application PUBG. Here you see it's not showing PUBG game, and instead he shows us games and cartoons that are suitable for our children. Look at that. Now I hope you like this idea and you like my video, and if you like my video, then please confirm it like to give me a feedback, like my video, comments, and also subscribe my channel. So and for now will be back soon with a again interesting video.